Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. It does not really matter. Then find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it, and then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so this pencil icon here. Now let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So just tap on this camera picture in the circle, and now you can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got someone right in front of you and you're able to catch a photo of this person, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will take a photo. I do not have any photos saved, so let me just quickly take a photo of those logos. And now if you're happy with the results, tap on this tick icon. Now we can change the position of this highlighted square. We can also change the size of it, and thanks to it we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. Now remember to tap on save in the right upper corner too, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.